Hey, this is Randy at Porsche Colorado Springs. Here is our 2024 718 Spyder RS. Just a gorgeous car in silver. Has some nice options, including Porsche's carbon ceramic brakes. Also has a Weissach package, so we have carbon fiber on the mirrors, the intake, the front hood as well. Really sits well here. Probably familiar, but these have 493 horsepower, flat six. Same engine, slightly detuned that's in the GT3. Take a look inside. In here, a combination of leather, carbon fiber, Arctic gray deviated stitching, and Race-Tex. We also have the bucket seats. Has some yellow accents for the door pulls. As it sits, this car only has 51 miles, so delivery-like miles. The steering wheel is in Race-Tex as well. Coming down here, center console. In addition to the PASM control, we have front axle lift. Awfully nice in these since they do sit pretty low. If you have a speed bump you go over regularly or a steep driveway, definitely helps. Any questions about the car, reach out to me, Randy Wade at Porsche Colorado Springs. My direct number is 224-770-1060. Thanks for watching.